Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, again, let's take a look at the gold market. The gold market right now is even more interesting than some currency pairs, even the majors. So in the long-term perspective, our setup is in general the same. We expect to get the completion of this ABCD pattern, this weekly ABCD pattern, huge pattern, is a completing point around 1195 approximately. At the same time, guys, we should not forget about 1180. That is the very significant low. And we have the monthly bearish stamp grabber that have been formed right here that suggest the washing out of these lows. We said that we do not expect any reversal or any significant and sizable retracement until market will not reach this area. And although yesterday short-term setup, as we said, that we do not believe with this possible spike that based on the bombing of this area, mostly due to the geopolitical situation in this region, because this situation is not new. The war stands there since the 2011, and that's in general the hot point on the map. And the starting of the bombing of this area carries nothing new from the geopolitical point of view. And does not shift, absolutely doesn't shift the overall geopolitical situation. That's why our initial thought on this reaction that has happened here was that it's just the playing of the speculators. Just trying to catch at least something to trigger some messy action on the market to shake the markets with this possible making some short-term traders nervous and so on. And you can see that this was played back very soon. Market has formed the bearish grabber. Yesterday we have got another bearish grabber right here, as you can see. And although the target of these grabbers stands right here below these lows, I think that that was the really nice chance to take into short position, as we have called yesterday, with the possessing at minimum to this area. At the same time, guys, in general, the major traders and the big banks and the big speculators can't just not understand that this area is an area of gathering a huge number of the stops. So if you'll take a look at the monthly chart, you'll see this. That's 1180 area. So contract the chart. You'll see that's really huge and significant low, 1180. That was during the plunge in the 2013. It's very significant move down. Okay, this monthly chart. So, and they definitely understand what is stand right below them. And right now we could say that these speculators, these big banks and big traders, is the hunting beast. And that smell the victim, and the victim is the stops that have been placed below 1180s. Following this logic, it seems right now almost impossible that the big speculators will leave the stops that have been placed below 1180s untouched. So they will just lead market to the completing of this ABCD and turns up. Well, do you believe this? Probably not. And that's absolutely not in the habit of the gold market. The gold market very rare leaves significant levels untouched. The gold market is very cunning and likes the wash on greens, fake spikes, and so on. So this is really this is an object to think about. That's why, guys, I think that these grabbers really could lead us to this area. And even to the 1175, I treat as the most probable target, 1170, 1175, because the trigger on this top will lead to the selling of the positions and will add fuel to the to the further drop on the market to the downside. That's why it's better to use as the target probably an area around 1170, 1175. That's the area that probably will be reached with the high probability. At the same time, guys, I think that it could be some sort of the Pandora box, because the selling below the psychological 12 even area and even breakout to the 1180 could trigger the mass selling of the gold, since this will be the breakout of the significant level. That could force the breakout traders to step in and add more to the selling positions. That's why we will not dare to predict what will happen when the market will start to and will enter in the doom and gloom around 1180 area. But what we do know is that if market really will reach 1180s, this will probably speculators, the big banks, will lead market to the trigger of the stops that have been placed below these lows, and until they will not grab them all, they will not leave this market behind, and that will be really the messy action, as the sharks on the short water. So this will be really the tragedy and the triumph of the different sides for the bulls and the bears if market will reach this area. Well, and after that, we will understand what will happen. If market will show the bottom raise of this area and returns right back up, that will probably point on the possible significant retracement. If market will hold below this area, in this case, guys, we will start to think about the further extended target to the downside, because don't forget that we also have the bearish, or at least we have the butterfly on the monthly chart that suggests the deeper action. As you can see, that the situation on the gold markets right now is really thrilling. So if you'll take a look at the hourly chart that we have discussed yesterday, that's our setup. Recall, it's nicely looking morning star pattern, evening star pattern, retracement, ABCD retracement up, right to the nearest fib support agreement at the weekly pivot point. Market has failed here and turns to the downside. That was nice short entering setup that we have announced yesterday. So if you have taken short position as we do, you could keep it. I think you can keep it. Just protect the position with the stop, break-even stop, and watch what will happen. We have some intermediate short-term targets as the weekly pivot support. One is this ABC top. It's 1618 extension stands approximately 12 even area. But guys, when the market smells this area, it will not stop at the 12 even. It's just our thought on the current situation. They will do anything to press market, to push market lower, to touch the grabs, the stops, where they will restore all the funds that they will spend on this pressing. So market still sell and sell and sell, taking loss. When they grab the stop, they will buy these stops and will fix the huge profit when they start to sell here, and they will start to buying the selling stops. That will be really significant moment. That's why I do not believe that market will stop here and turn to the upside. That's why we indicate as the most probable area will be reached around 1170, 1175. That's our short-term targets on the gold market. Well, guys, that's the moments that you have to pay attention to, because that's how market works, and it's really extremely important. And with the understanding of what is really could happen on the market. Let's see what will happen. But guys, I think that we could keep these short positions that we have taken here and expect really a significant action. Just protect the positions with the break-even stop.